Yeah! Oh! Let's go! Oh! Let's go! Make it hot!
Game 3. Pouring rain. It's a catch. Well, this is what we're playing in right now. Pouring rain. Pouring rain. Wow, is it cold out. It's raining, it's pouring. Look at this. Oh! Swing and a miss. Come on, Dad, keep your eye on the ball. Here we go. Here we go, Dad. Nice eye.
Look out!
Oh, strike out. Well, YouTube, it's still raining here in Game 3. I'm so cold. I'm so wet. I don't know if you can see that. It's like, it's really cold. They're still playing behind me. Yeah. Really nasty behind me, I know. So, well, there's thunder in the air. It's gonna clear up back there, but the rain's still back to Madison right now. So it's gonna be here for a while. Still playing though. Man, am I cold. I don't even know if my iPod's waterproof. Look at this. Well, looks like we're gonna have to call the game. There's thunder. You cold?
Jeez Louise. Why are we still playing this stupid game, Camp?
Look at this. This is sweet though.
Sweet for you.
Look at him right there. Oh my God. Hey Dad, how you feeling? Is it cold?
Ross is.
Ross is?
Wow, is it nasty? Sun's out over there. Pouring rain, Dad's up to bat. Base hit, there we go, in the rain. Base hit in the rain.